Hi, Gwen Price, sales representative with Keystone Real Estate. And today I'm with Marguerite Lecuyer with Sudbury Seniors Daycare.
Hi.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm good.
Good. I first saw this come up on Facebook and I thought, what a great idea, what a need we have in our community to help with our seniors. Tell us a bit about what you're all about. What is this?
Sudbury Seniors Daycare is all about seniors in our community, a place for them to go to meet other seniors, to know that life isn't over at the age of 70 or 80.
Yeah.
They can come, while they're free up their family members to go to work appointments. They come to the daycare. They meet other seniors. We have cribbage, we have outdoor gardening, we have, for the ladies, nail painting.
Oh yeah, that's great.
Hair.
Yeah.
We do their hair, we curl their hair. Checkers, chest. We
So
have all kinds.
It's along the lines of what a child daycare, but we're talking about
Seniors.
Yeah,
Yes.
excellent. Yeah.
Yeah.
And so what would the hours of your operation be basically?
The hours start from 8 in the morning till 5 in the evening, Monday to Friday.
Okay.
Saturday we're open 8 to 4, so people can get in their grocery shopping.
Perfect.
Yeah. So
And it's you, and you also have some staff, and
we have staff ready,
Okay.
as many as we need.
Okay.
We have full-time staff that's ready to come in. We open July 2nd.
Okay. And what type of certification would they have?
They're all certified PSWs.
Okay.
They're bonded. They come with criminal checks.
Okay. Excellent.
Yeah, they have GPA training,
And what's
which
that?
is gentle approach, knowing how to approach a senior that's Alzheimer's, that has dementia, that's angry,
Okay.
and they know how to handle it.
So your clientele wouldn't necessarily be somebody suffering with dementia or Alzheimer's, but any senior. Any senior
60 and over.
60 and over.
Yeah.
Okay.
An hour, they can come 2 hours, they can
Okay.
come 5.
Yeah, because it sure is. It's difficult when people are working and they have a parent that requires care, and you're torn and you feel guilty about things, and it would be nice to have some place for them to come in a safe environment. And
Right, and then they'll feel good knowing that they're taken care of.
yeah, exactly. It
Yeah.
relieves a lot of stress.
Exactly.
I'm sure.
Right.
And what do you think the capacity will be here?
Well, in this home we can hold, I think, anywhere from 5 to 10.
Okay.
Comfortably 8.
Yeah. Okay.
I
Great.
think, yeah.
And and so they'll be able to socialize with people and
Some laughing.
Yeah, well, and you
Yeah.
know, laughter's the best medicine. I
what
mean,
they say.
yeah, definitely it gives them somewhere to feel secure and that they've got a friend maybe.
Exactly, and they'll meet friends.
Yeah. Well,
You know,
that's
something to look
wonderful.
forward to.
Yeah.
Saying I'm going back to the daycare
Yeah.
to finish my crib game.
Well, and that's a big part of it, right? Is just to be able to get up every day and have a sense of purpose and joy in their life, and
Right.
it's nice to be
And
able
it
to
allows the family members to
yeah,
go and not worry. Like,
exactly.
you know, they have mom at home all day, they're at work wondering, is she wondering, you know, is she eating, is she, this allows them to be able
Okay.
to feel safe, you know.
And it's a fee for service, so exactly the way child daycare would be run. There's a fee for coming.
we offer it's $25 an hour.
Okay.
Over 4 hours, we will dock off an hour or two
Okay.
if it's over the 4 hours.
Okay.
Like I said, we offer snacks, fresh fruit,
Okay.
coffee, tea, juices throughout the day.
Oh,
Yeah.
Sounds like a party.
It does.
No, that's wonderful. And you have your grand opening coming up, and that's this Saturday. You're going to have an open house on
An
June the
open house.
16th.
Yes,
Yeah.
people can come and have a look, see what we're offering,
Yeah.
how the house looks,
Okay.
the backyard. We're going to have gardening, planter boxes coming in.
Okay. And what's the address where the daycare is?
We're at 952 Westmount,
Okay.
the other side of the Westmount nursing home,
Okay.
going
Right.
towards Churchill Public School.
Okay. Right.
Right.
And if they need to get a hold of you, what number can they reach you at?
They can reach us at 705-919-0535 or the other number is 207
Okay.
3807
Okay.
is the home number.
Great. Well, that's wonderful, and I think it's a great need in this community. We need to help our seniors as they go through life, and I'm a senior, so I have a vested interest in what the future holds for me.
Exactly.
So I think there's definitely a need for what your service is going to provide for Sudbury.
Thank you.
And wish you all the best.
We'll keep the seniors going.
Yeah, for
Right.
sure. Thank you
Great.
very much.
You're welcome.